This video shows that the IH70AB can be used as susceptor heating. Graphite crucibles are used to reach high temperatures. In order to cover a large heating zone, we needed to connect 3 coils in parallel for efficiency. Susceptor heating by induction has been extensively applied to processes where the material to be heated is not electrically conductive or not easily heated evenly with induction heating. Both metallic and non-metallic parts may be heated indirectly with the use of a susceptor. Heated by induction. Susceptors may be in contact with or separated from the part or material to be heated. When in contact, heating is via conduction. When separated, heating is by radiation. Check our website and get more information about Across International Laboratory Equipment, www.acrossinternational.com.